Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another kit, and this is one of the actually is a new it's an old kit that I made before in 2017, and it's a dress calendar kit. And this what I make now is a custom order. Is one of the member, she didn't get this kit in 2017 so she requested me to make again, so I make this, but in slightly the item in this kit is something different, because I don't have anymore, but luckily I still have this beautiful lace ruffle with the ruffle rose, the chiffon rose. This I use this for my the old kit also. Luckily I still have some left, so I can use this for this kit. It make it beautiful. So now I show you. For this kit you will get this beautiful lace ruffle. Okay, and enough for you to make cover with, like so it's beautiful. So this is the dress calendar for 2024. So I print this vintage lady in the cardstock, because if I print on the fabric, the color is now not so beautiful, so I have to the old kit also I print out on the cardstock. So I print all this calendar I edit by myself. Okay, 2017, so. And the old kit that I make is I use the cardstock, but this kit I make it with the felt set in the middle, and everything it's the same. I print on the muslin fabric and tie-dye the muslin fabric. The original color is like so. It's a bit so it now turn out like cream. Okay, so I cover with the both side with this and printed with this rubber, and you see cover everything, and the edges is very beautiful, neatly everything. So all together is only have six dresses, because you can use the both sides, so you get 12 months. Okay, so I'll show you everything here. And this is another dress. This one, just now this one. Okay, show you again. This is okay, the second, and this one. And the bottom is this, and this one, and another page is this, and this one, another page with this, and this, and the last page is this one. So you get 6 dresses, but 12 pages, the side. So you got this, all the vintage lady that I already fussy cut out. So you got 12 of those. Okay, so you can layer and alter everything here. This one, this one, you got this one. So you can alter the head with rubber. You got this one, and you got this. this and this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, all here. And for the, and also print out this, so you can first cut it out. This is the month, so yeah, cut it out and put it up. Okay, you can put here and alter this one with the, okay, so you got this 12 month or so. And also I print out all this here, January, February, and this one is 2024. This is the big size, like so. Okay, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, and this is the calendar, so you can, yeah, alter this one. Okay, and now I show you the others item you will receive. So you will get this one, and also this green apricot. You can use this as a leaf. Yeah, in the middle you can put the flowers that I will include into the kit. So you get these two apricots here, and I show you the flower first. I will yeah, I won't take out all this. I will, yeah, show you in the picture later. You can see what you will have in the picture. And the laces also, because everything I already packed nicely. So okay, I'm back, and I've show you the picture and everything here, and these beautiful laces here. Okay, everything here I already take a picture. Yes, I didn't glue all the laces. Actually you get all this item here. I just, yeah, put everything nicely like so. So all this is the, and I also include another two big ring. Just in case this ring is, yeah, when you alter, just in case the ring is too small, so I include two big ring also. So yeah, that's it. This is the 2024 calendar kit, and yeah, so yeah, just that's a 24. Okay, so okay, that's so yeah, this is the kit. And yeah, thanks everyone for stopping by for watching, and please feel free to leave me a comments and let me know what you think. And if you like this kit, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will intend to make another calendar kit, but it is a fabric bowl calendar. I also make this kit before for my permanent member. I forget which year, but yeah, I will intend to make again. Only have one. Yeah, just who interested, just stop by to my kit group, and yeah, and I will post a video soon. And thanks again for everyone, and bye.